Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2025 Acura RDX A-Spec Advance. Have a video on the Advance already if you want to check that out, and I'm excited to get a video on the A-Spec Advance, which is the highest trim, which combines the A-Spec and Advance trims of course. You have a flat bottom steering wheel. As you can see, nice perforated leather, same gauge cluster as before. Now Apple CarPlay is full screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, of course. You have your wireless charging tray up here, as opposed to being down there. Center console has been redesigned with bigger cup holders. There's no more suede now in the A-Spec Advance. You have you have beautiful Milano leather seats with contrast stitching and black piping. This is the Orchid interior. There's just no suede. As I said, the A-Spec will have suede. This is basically similar to the MDX, how the A-Spec Advance doesn't have suede either. You have the ELS Studio 3D sound system. The speaker grill in the Advance and A-Spec Advance look different than the ones in the lower trims. You have suede on the door. You also have a light-up speaker, as you can see in there. You can probably see it better at night. You have a head-up display, as you can see. 360-degree camera system. Pretty familiar as before. It's just a few things have been changed. Let's take a look at the outside. This is liquid carbon metallic. If you see those wheels, that's the wheel on the A-Spec Advance. It's basically the wheels you'll find on the A-Spec, except they're not shark gray. They're black with a machine finish. You have the black diamond pentagon grille, crosshatch design. Black door handles, that's cool. Looks pretty good. But yeah, the major exterior differences you'll find is the grille, the black door handles, and the wheels. The wheels look good. The seats look really nice in the back. You have heated rear seats, of course, with this being the A-Spec Advance. You'll also find that on the Advance. You also have the hands-free access power tailgate. Here's your cargo space. $56,400 as tested. Gonna turn on the heated steering wheel. A little bit chilly today. This is the second facelift that Acura has done on this generation of the RDX, which is a bit interesting. Smooth acceleration. Seats are very comfortable. As I said, it's very familiar, as this generation of RDX has been out since 2019. accelerates effortlessly. I mean, as I was saying, this generation has been out for a while, so I'm very eager to see what the redesign will look like, whether it be in 2 years or 3 years or maybe even next year. I'm not quite sure how that's going to go, but the next generation RDX will have the Type S. Because as of right now, the only model without a Type S variant is the RDX, because the MDX, TLX, and Integra all have Type S's. And ZDX, of course, that is a Type S variant as well. So the RDX Type S is highly anticipated. So I'm very excited to see what's going to happen with that. If it has that 355 horsepower turbo V6 and a smaller SUV, I think that'll be great. I think it'll drive very well. Yeah, I mean, as I said, this car, it's, you know, it's a great car. I mean, it's comfortable, looks good. Has the technology that you would like. I mean, yeah, like, it does not have the digital gauge cluster that you will find in the TLX and MDX or the Integra, which I think would have been nice for sure. That would have been a great addition to give that. But we can expect that in the redesign. But at the end of the day, if you're looking for a 2020, if you were like in the market for an RDX A-Spec Advance and you're about to buy a 24, since the 25 just came out, you will like the little upgrades that they did. I personally am not the biggest fan of the suede, so I would like this for sure. But it drives well, no surprises, nothing really new. In terms of driving experience, feels pretty normal compared to what I'm used to when driving the RDX. The thing I find the most interesting is how the grille is the same on all the trim levels. It's just the black grille with the crosshatch diamond pentagon grille design. Even the base model has the black grille. Tech package, they all do, even if it's not. The base model, which I found to be really interesting, has all black trim. Yeah, the base model has all black trim, so it looks like an A-Spec. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for the 2025 RDX.